Hello, we are the Slumber Protectors admitting our device, the Sleeping Mist Diffuser, and our names are Damian Baptista.
Jose Teixeira.
Anthony Franco.
And first we'll start off with the introduction.
This is our engineering designing development project. We had to come with a problem to improve or try to solve a problem individuals have related to health problems. We decided to solve and improve the sleeping deficiency people have and create a method that overcomes the use of sleeping medication. The reason is because 10 to 30% of people get insomnia from sleeping medication consumption.
But first, our start. We are Central Falls High School students. I am a junior.
I'm a senior.
I'm a senior.
And we've been enrolled in the engineering course program for about 2 years now. But engineering itself is more than just competing in competitions. We have learned the fundamentals of engineering from having hands-on projects, learning teamwork with one another, and also learning how to create better problem-solving information. We have experienced different types of prototypes throughout the way, and we work with each other in a way we would have never experienced.
On beginning stages, first we brainstorm problems that could or cause major impact to people, animals, or school or environment. Then we narrowed the problem down to only 2 problems that we worked on. After getting the 2 problems from our brainstorming, we began to come up with different solutions for our top 2 problems, which led us to choosing one main problem to follow through with.
And these are the design process, from finding out different solutions for the actual device, from finding out what type of problem we would go with.
After refining our topic, we had to create our design brief that basically explained the reason of solving this problem, which people are affected by this type of problem, our short term and long term, and end goals for solving this problem with our project. We even had to create a problem statement to give an understanding on the project itself. After creating the design brief, we used the information from that research and a user survey that we created or posted.
And here's the examples of the template for our design brief. Here is our poster that is a basic project overlay, from finding our objective to provide a better device, the testing procedure, finding out research that can make a proficient device for our clients, our problem statements, the different types of project processes we had to go through, from the device prototype drawings to documenting our status on our engineering notebook, and from the last slides, the problem breakdown. Here is our coding, which we will have a device that actually connects to we'll have an app that actually connects to the device, where it would be easier for the client to use if they're in an uncomfortable situation where they're having sleeping problems and they're just stuck in bed and too lazy enough to get off and start the machine. They can start it from the app. Here's our test results from if people have sleeping problems and they take anything for those problems. And here's the user requirements from people who come back from overnight stays at work, are born with sleeping problems, or just can't function while they sleep. And for our future steps, we want to be able to have our device be the main solution, then relying on sleeping medications. 2, having our device be able to be used by all ages, from toddlers to grown-ups. 3, have the ability to decrease the amount of sleeping deficiency in people. And 4, make it reasonable in cost, making it affordable for everyone.
Use profile client. This is basically the test we did, we sent it out there. We went to like the students in school. We sent it. We put it on social media and everything. This individual that will benefit with the use of this product are one who takes sleeping pills, which can affect them in the long run. The client that we get while we have the struggles of sleeping wiped away with no long-term issues. The individual that also need this project are ones who have the trouble of going to sleep at night, or even the ones who have trouble staying asleep. Uh, this table show like the people that have problem. A lot of them say no at first, but then on our second problem, it changed a lot because we put it out there, and we did at school too, where a lot of students are coming to school with sleeping problems, and it helped us a lot. Me? A product. This is just some prototype. This is device. It's a sleep and mist diffuser. This device will disperse mist in the air, which will help you calm your body and mind down, causing individual to sleep. This device will be decent, compact size, where it does not take a lot, too much space. There will also be an app connected to the device in case of portable turn on. It's like this is some device we came up with. It's not the final project yet. This is just prototype. By the end, it will be way better.
Our plans on plan one, make this device well known to get and maintain exposure to gain clients. Create a successful path for this device to be the main product used for sleep deficiency. Decrease the amount of people with insomnia from using sleeping pills, and decrease the amount of people who have sleeping problems or disorders.
Thank you for listening to this presentation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And this is basically our overlay of our engineering project.